SAYLESSTRENT here, man. I know y'all usually don't see me like this, you know what I'm saying, in a robe, you know what I'm saying, with a pool behind me and these trees, because I don't usually document when I go on trips. But I did want to come on here, man, for a minute and give y'all an update, man, practically what's been going on with me, SAYLESSTRENT, and SAYLESSED. So, as some of you know, we have this channel, SAYLESSTRENT now is the name of the channel. It used to be SAYLESSED and Trent. Before you get all, oh, what happened at SAYLESSED is still my business partner. SAYLESSED is still my brother, my cousin, my family. It's my guy. We still work together, ultimately, and we still own the brand SAYLESS Lifestyle together. SAYLESS Lifestyle LLC, as some of you know, we started this brand back in 2020, and that allowed me and SAYLESSED to really become financially free. In February of 2022, we became successful financially. We saw some success in 2021 as far as just, on TikTok and growing the brand on social media wise. And from that point on, it was always something in my soul that was telling me that the brand could be more than what it was, right? So that intuition, you definitely want to listen to it, but it takes intentional action to get where you want to get, right? So, all the failures we went through from 2020 to 2022, it just taught us a lot. So ultimately, in February of 2022, we had gotten a kiosk in the mall. In August of 2021, I dropped out of college, as most of you know, and 6 months later, I was able to make $15K in a month with my brand, SAYLESS Lifestyle. So I made $15K in a month with my brand, man, and at that point, I already knew, because I practiced. And as weird as that sounds, it's like manifestation is real. Law of attraction, law of compensation. If you put in something, you're gonna get something out of it. So in August, and mind you, in October of 2021, I started my self-improvement journey, where I, literally was studying. Like, I was at college, but every single college class had my headphones in. I was studying people like Jim Rohn. I was studying people like Earl Nightingale, Napoleon Hill, those type of people, and I was taking notes on everything I was listening to. And I'll go back to those notes and I'll read it and things of that sort. So I started experiencing that money mindset, that millionaire mindset, and then about a year or so later, that financial success came. So that just goes to show that your success is in direct proportion into the amount of times you surmounted failure. So if you know when failure hits you and you don't look at it as a stepping stone to success or adversity, then you're just going to not succeed ultimately in life. Now, we were going on a journey all the way up until, so we had the kiosk in the mall for about 6 months, and then after that, we had the store in the mall for about 6 months. And, we really were going crazy, man, made upwards to 56,000 in 30 days before, things of that sort. And ultimately, we were trying to just run up the Shopify. We never put things sold out on the website, and we were moving really fast. So from February of 2022 all the way up until like June of 2023, we did not see a month under $15,000. And in about around March, Shopify started holding our money. Had about $25,000 on hold. At that point, we, took out over 100K in business funding. So we had to pay back funding companies each and every day, along with running ads, along with paying our employees. So it got hectic real fast, and we weren't shipping out orders efficiently enough. So it took about 3 to 5 weeks for people to ship their orders. For people to get their orders, which is unacceptable. You know what I'm saying? I'm willing to admit my failures because I'm here to teach you guys through my successes and failures of being a 6-figure clothing brand owner and making over $300,000 in a year. I'm not here to try to sugarcoat shit or try to just make it seem like I'm still making $100,000 a month or $70,000 a month with my brand SAYLESS Lifestyle, because I'm not. Now I'm making more money than I did, you know what I'm saying, back then, because of my other business ventures, and multiple sources of income is the true way to wealth. So if you're looking to increase your sources of income, multiple sources of income, live off of your phone. I'm in the Dominican Republic right now. I'm literally making money from my phone while I'm here every single day. I have over $250 hitting my phone just from simple clients that I work with and other stocks, investments that I have. So if you want to know my investment portfolio and actually come invest with me and join the winning team and actually, you know, increase your sales, revenue, all that type of stuff in all aspects as an entrepreneur, come work with me, bro. I'm very negotiable. I'm here to help you. I'm not here to take. And as you can tell, I'm very genuine and I'm passionate about what I do. So as far as that goes, you know, we're going crazy. We took a step back from the brand. Now, you got to think about it. When the cash flow, you're making anywhere from 15 to 50K a month, 60K a month, and then it stops because the money gets put on hold. You got to think, yes, we had a ton of business savings. You run through that after about 2 months with a business that needs cash flow. Cash flow is like the blood flow in the body. You need cash flow for your business, for it to survive. So the cash flow gets stopped because now we can't contact nobody in Shopify. And that's one thing I hate about Shopify. You can't contact nobody. But besides that, anyways, we're not going to blame Shopify here. I'm going to take accountability. But as far as that goes, man, that made me take a step back and made me realize I need multiple sources of income, right? So then that led me to starting my consulting agency where I work with brand owners like yourselves that's watching this video, or entrepreneurs in any aspect, any field, fitness coaches, you know what I'm saying, influencers, whatever you do. If you need to grow your social media, have 2 to 3 phone calls a week, one-on-one in-depth guidance, to-do list after each and every phone call, you know what I'm saying, full one-on-one, not a course, not a community, full one-on-one with me, teaching you how I'm able to live a lavish lifestyle on a literal Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? I've been in the Dominican Republic about, you know, 2 times in the past 3 months. Went to Puerto Rico not too long ago. I literally am financially free. I do whatever I want. I make money from this phone. If you give me a phone and Wi-Fi, I guarantee you I'll be straight. So I teach you how to do that, and especially with the clothing brand, since I've already done it. I'm successful in the industry, so why not learn from somebody who's already successful in the industry? So, you know, as far as that goes, I also get paid from YouTube. As you guys can see, 7K subscribers, so continue to subscribe, lock in, support me. I appreciate you guys, every single one of you, man. I'm never going ungrateful. I'm very, very appreciative for everybody who taps in and tunes in, and even if you don't, that's totally fine. You know what I'm saying? So as far as that goes, yeah, so now my consulting agency is a 6-figure business. I've worked with over 400 clients in the past 2 years. So that goes to show right there, God will take something away from you to give it back to you 10 times more. Like I said, I have other business ventures now. Back with when I had the clothing brand, I wasn't investing into stocks. I didn't have a consulting agency. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do sports betting. I didn't do other things that increase my revenue per se. I was just living off the clothing brand. And I had all my eggs in one basket, which is cool. You want to focus on establishing one source of income and really going crazy with that. And then after you do that, use that as a stepping stone to get ahead. Pretty soon I'll be into real estate. Pretty soon I'll be into Airbnb, you know, car rentals, things of that sort that can make you more money long term. But as far as that goes, man, God has his own plan for you. It's God's plan over your plan, man. Just trust in him. Have a definite plan for yourself and a definite goal you want to aim at monthly. But like I said, man, and Eddie, Say Less Ed, he has drop shipping company that's doing over $10,000 a month. He has 2 drop shipping companies. He's a basketball coach. He does a variety of things, man. And we're really just enjoying life at this point, you know, living off of the success and the hard work we put in for 2 years of our life. Now that is paying for our lifestyle now. So even though we're not making $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month from the brand Sayless lifestyle anymore, and we will eventually, we'll get back into the clothing brand game, maybe 2026, come back with more stores or more things of that sort, because I do truly have a passion for it, but it's all God's timing. You know what I'm saying, and timing in my life, and I used it as a stepping stone to get to the next level. We still have the brand Sayless lifestyle. We did think about selling it at one point, but it's all about God's plan. So I came here to y'all to be transparent. We don't really post like that or keep y'all updated. So I came here to be transparent with y'all, man. I gotta go catch this massage. I'm at a resort right now, so I'm gonna go catch this massage. I appreciate y'all tapping in, man. If y'all need one-on-one mentorship, y'all already know what to do. Contact me at TrentonScottLLC@gmail.com. It's in the description, or at SAYLESSTRENT on all social media, or no, I'm sorry, on Instagram, actually, just that Instagram. I'm not on any other platform for SAYLESSTRENT. So on Instagram, SAYLESSTRENT, Trent Scott LLC. I gotta go before my girl gets mad at me. So I appreciate y'all tapping in, man. And I'll continue to keep y'all updated. As y'all can see, go tap into my YouTube shorts. I constantly post on there, but I'm so busy with doing mentorships and helping other brands that I barely have time to do things for myself because I'm helping grow other people. So, you know, as far as that goes, man, you can be here too. Just lock in on your goals and your dreams. Hit that self-improvement as hard as possible. And you know the vibes, man. Pretty soon I had a cardi on the wrist. I can go get the cardi now, but it's all about investing before you go splurge. So just remember that, man. You're gonna be still good. Shout out to my guy. But yeah, appreciate y'all, man. Y'all tap in, subscribe below. Let's get it.